Have you heard about Amazon EKS and how it simplifies Kubernetes cluster management on AWS?
Yes, I have. Amazon EKS handles tasks like provisioning, upgrades, and patching, making it easier for developers to focus on application development.
What are the benefits of using Amazon EKS?
Key benefits include multi-AZ deployment, enhanced security, active community contribution, and compatibility with standard Kubernetes environments.
How does Amazon EKS work?
The workflow involves creating a cluster, launching worker nodes, configuring Kubernetes tools, and deploying applications. This streamlined process eliminates the complexities of setting up and managing Kubernetes clusters.
Can you walk me through the steps of building a Kubernetes app with Amazon EKS?
Sure. First, create an AWS IAM service role and a VPC. Then, create an Amazon EKS cluster, configure kubectl, launch and configure Amazon EKS worker nodes, and finally, launch a simple Nginx application.
That seems like a lot of steps. Is it worth it?
Definitely. By eliminating complexities, Amazon EKS empowers developers to focus on building and deploying innovative applications in a scalable and secure environment.
That's impressive. What's the conclusion?
In conclusion, Amazon EKS offers a robust solution for simplifying Kubernetes cluster management on AWS. By eliminating complexities, Amazon EKS empowers developers to focus on building and deploying innovative applications in a scalable and secure environment.